Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about the remedy Natrum, which is common name is common salt. So everyone knows common salt, namak. So prolonged intake of excessive salt causes profound nutritive changes in the system. जिससे क्या होता है सॉल्ट का रिटेंशन बढ़ जाता है इंक्रीज सॉल्ट रिटेंशन causes dropsies, edema and alteration in blood, causes condition of anemia and leukocytosis. सो इस रेमेडी में हम यही चीज़ें देखने वाले हैं. सो इट इज़ प्रूव्ड बाय डॉक्टर हैनीमैन. फिजिकल मेकअप में देखेंगे तो हम इमेशिएटेड पीपल रहेगा हैविंग शाइनी ऑयली एंड वैक्सी लुक ऑफ द फेस एज इफ ग्रीस्ड, ब्लू रिंग्स अराउंड द आईज. Emaciation is well marked in this remedy. Patient having nervous temperament, hot patient with scrofulous diathesis. As it cover all the three miasm, psora, syphilis and psychosis. 2 to 3 main symptoms है इसमें. great emaciation, losing flesh while living well, maped tongue, left sided remedy. so सारी complaints इसमें left sided रहेंगी. विथ उसके साथ में इसका जो अग्रावेशन रहता है वो 10 AM to 11 AM रहता है, सनराइज टू सनसेट. और जो इसका एमिलेशन रहता है वो पर्सपिरेशन से रिलीफ होता है विच इज़ सिमिलर टू सोराइनम एंड जिंकम मेटेलिकम. मेंटल्स इंक्लूड्स इल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ ग्रीफ, फ्राइट, एंगर, कंसोलेशन, अग्रावेट्स और कंप्लेंट्स, ऑकवर्ड, वांट टू बी अलोन, टू क्राई, टीयर्स विथ लाफ्टर्स, टीयर्स अल्टरनेट विथ लाफ्टर. एक ऐसा इंसान जो रोते रोते भी हंसेगा और हंसते हंसते भी रोएगा. हिस्टेरिकल कंडीशन ऑफ माइंड, लैक्राइमल डिस्पोजिशन विथ हाइपोकॉन्ड्रियल मूड, इट मीन्स टीयर्स विथ लाफ्टर. ड्रीम्स ऑफ रोबर्स एट नाइट एंड ऑन वॉकिंग विल नॉट बिलीव टू कंट्रेरी until a thorough search is made of the house. Mental symptoms are due to bad effects of anger, grief, vexation, as we see. Excessive use of salt, sexual excess, profuse menses also causes mental symptoms. Headache, having left-sided headache, especially of young school-going girls. Headache में sensation रहता है as if thousands of hammers were knocking on the brain. Headache between sunrise to sunset, especially 10 to 11 am, and heat of sun, which is relieved by perspiration in open air. Mapped tongue with red insular patches like ringworm on sides. Frothy coating on the tongue, lips and corner of the mouth dry and ulcerated and cracked. So lips and corner of the mouth dry and ulcerated indicates also condurengo, sepia, natrum. कफ में देखेंगे तो कफ इंडिकेटेड इन कोराइजा एंड कफ में इस मेडिसिन को इंडिकेट करेंगे. स्टिकिंग सेंसेशन इन थ्रोट, स्प्यूटम जो रहेगा वो थिक, वाइटिश, वाटरी लाइक वाइट ऑफ एन एग. कफ का एग्रेवेशन रहता है मॉर्निंग में एंड सी श्योर में. इनवॉलेंट्री यूरिनेशन व्हेन वॉकिंग, कफिंग एंड लाफिंग विथ स्लो एक्शन ऑफ ब्लैडर. यूरिन कम्स स्लोली, लैक ऑफ फोर्स इन फ्लो ऑफ यूरिन. Patient can't pass urine in presence of other remedy similar, Hiparsulf. Has to wait for a long time before passing urine. Sensation of his urine has remained, cutting pain in the urethra. Now see your stomach. Stomach having hungry yet loses flesh, heartburn with palpitations, unquenchable thirst, sweats while eating. The only remedy indicate natrum mure. Other is what? Common town. Craving for salt, aversion to bread, to anything slimy like oysters, fats. Throbbing in the pit. An abdomen having cutting pain, distended. Rectum are burning pains and stitching after stool. Anus is contracted, torn or bleeding. Constipation, stool having dry, crumbled, painless and copious diarrhea preceded by pinching pain in the stomach. Now female symptoms contains menses irregular, usually profuse, dry vagina, acrid leukorrhea, bearing down pain, ineffectual labor pain, suppressed menses, hot during menses. Now we'll see skin having eczema, urticaria, herpes, warts, fever, blisters, and hangnails, and other skin complaints. Eczema on the margin of hair, scalp, and behind the ears. Urticaria, either acute or chronic, over the whole body, especially after violent exercise. Herpetic eruptions around the edges of hair and nape of neck, as same as eczema. Warts on the palm of hand and on the dorsum of hand indicate Dell'Camera. Fever blisters at the sides of mouth in intermittent fever, like small pulse about the lips. Hangnails, skin around the nails dry and cracked. Other indicate remedy graphitis and petroleum. As natrum mure is also useful in fungal infection with violent itching and burning. Next we'll see baby of the natrum mure. Baby is pale, anemic, weak and emaciated. Emaciation is especially marked in nape of neck with long neck. Mantle of baby close, irritable even when kindly spoken to, cries from slighted cause. Baby also loses flesh while living well or eating well. Catch cold easily with frequent sneezing and watering of nose. Maped tongue, slow in learning to walk with heavy and difficult speech. Usually constipated and involuntary urination tendency. General modalities, as we see in introduction, aggravation from sunrise to sunset, from 10 to 11 am, from seashore, heat of sun, mental exertion, consolation, and by lying down, and ameliorates by open air, cold bathing, going without regular meals, lying on right side. Complementary रहेगा apis, followed well by sepia and thuja. So this is the description of natrum mure. If it was helpful to you, let me know in comment. Thank you.